As you can tell from my outfit that I was made in China.
有人
Yes. Look, guys, I'm really sorry for the COVID. Yeah. Yeah, I'm sorry for it, but I didn't do it. I was here the whole time. I know. Yeah, last year I was roaming around in the city and this guy just yelled at me. He was like, "Yo, go back to China." I was like, "Sir, there's no flight."
有人
If you're like me, over the age of 27, not dating or not married in China, you'll be called leftover ladies. But I love leftovers. Come on, who doesn't love Chinese leftovers? Yeah.
The bag.